Hi everyone and welcome to a new tutorial in Fusion 360. Here I'm working on the V12 engine. As I say to you, I will share one episode in a week, but as you can see, I'm sharing the 3 version on the V12 engine in 3 softwares that you let many people learn these great softwares, and I working on them in parallel. Okay, here I decide to make the camshaft wheel. The camshaft wheel, you want to make the wheel and pinion here and the crankshaft wheel here. Okay, then link it with chain. Okay, I will use one chain here and another here between the two camshaft. Okay, we will use this wheel to both camshaft. The camshaft, we will add it here on the scene. As you can see, you can find it. Let's see it here. Yeah, is this one. Okay, we will add the wheel to this camshaft and make the assembly of the 4 of them. When we finish, we will maybe add the pinion here. Okay, then let's start. Let's go ahead and start a new component. Just click here and go to the assembly mode, new component, and for the name you can choose here the name of camshaft wheel. Okay, and what you have to do is just check on this one, activate, click OK. As you can see here, you have all the component hidden. We are here. Okay, what you have to do, you can isolate it, that let you show only this part, and I like to show the origin and start working here. Let's start with this plane. Select it and create sketch. Press C to have a circle. Okay, make a circle like this one. The diameter of the circle, press D to add dimension. We have 79. People, all of these dimension I calculated to have the same chain feed to the wheel. Okay, if you like to see how I calculate this one, just let me know in the comment, and I will share you some website how to calculate this. Okay, let's start. We have 79 here, and finish your sketch. Now just click extrude, extrude it with 5mm, press OK. Okay, now we will make the hole here using start a new sketch. We will use this one. When you click rectangle, you will find here a rectangle by center. Start with the center here, just put, if you like, 13 here, change with tab, okay, 13 here, or you can make equal using equation. What you have to do here is to make chamfer on this one, but if you like to make it in the feature, go ahead and make it in the feature, but for me I like to make it on the sketch. Let me know if Fusion has this method to add chamfer on the sketch. I think feed curve, not this one. Okay, I think Fusion don't has this. That's only this one, but I don't know. I don't want this. What you have to do, if you can't use the same method in SolidWorks when you add chamfer here, don't worry. Just finish your sketch. Okay. Extrude it with Q, okay, and here, as you can see, you can add chamfer. When you go here, chamfer, as you can see, you can select the other. Let's select the 4 of them, make sure that equal distance, and you can put 2 millimeter here, and you have the same result like me. Okay, let's see what we have in the next. Make sure that this reference is the Z, X and Y in this direction. Okay, and as you can see, I'm working on the front here. Return your model like this, the Z-axis in this direction, and select this surface and click create sketch. As you can see here, I will press C, okay, with 25 on a diameter. In Fusion, that's amazing thing, you don't have to project this one. You have this area, and with this area you can finish this sketch. Select it, press Q, and you have only the zone you want. Press 10 to add dimension, click OK, and you have nice result here. What you have to do here is just to add a not a chamfer, a fillet. Press F or select this one, press F, and you have fillet here. The same thing, put 10 millimeter, press OK, and you have nice result. And now let's add a challenge, is to add a slot here, but not linear slot. It's circular slot. I will select this surface. As you can see, I rotate it, and I'm here, create sketch. As you can see, if you go to here, you will find slot here. Okay, the slot, I think in 2016 we don't have this one, I think, but now I'm so happy to have this in Fusion. Let's select this one, like what? Okay, let's leave it like that. Okay, it's okay like that. Okay, and what I have to do is add some dimensions. To add dimensions, let's make this one vertical, and we have a radius here 25, a radius, this one is 5 millimeter, and we have to add an angle. To add an angle, you have to add excuse me, you have to add this and this. Press D and put here 60. Why 60? Because I want to make this one 3 times. Okay. You can select all of these one by one if you want, and go to this one. You will find circular pattern, but as I said earlier, you can use extrude to this one and make a feature circular pattern. We have the same thing. Now select point center here. You have 3. It's okay. Full. Press OK. Finish your sketch. Select the 3 zone. Press Q. Extrude in inverse, and you have nice result. Okay. Now what you have to do is to add the circle here. Select this one, press C, make a diameter of 70. Amazing. This software, you don't want to add all of these project all of this. Minus 1.5. That's nice. Now let's go ahead and make the teeth here. The teeth front, you have to select this surface, sketch. To understand what I'm doing here, I want to add a circle here. Okay, let's make it like this. Okay, a little bit like that. Okay, and the second circle, it will be here. You are okay. Okay, the 2 circles, let's see this one. This circle, it will be vertical to this one. Okay, and I will add just a segment here, as you can see, and another segment to this one, and another one to this one. Then select the 3 of them, convert it to construction. Now let's add some dimension. Press D. Here we have the radius. We have 38. Okay. The diameter of this one, we have 4.5. Okay, as I say to you, all these dimensions I calculate it. Then we have 9 degrees here. 9 degrees. Okay, this circle equal to this circle. Press equal here, and what you have to do, as you can see, I want to add another circle here. Okay, and another circle here, and don't forget that this line, it's equal to this one. So you can see I will select this one and this one. Let's make it equal. As you can see, your design is fully defined. okay, you can move it, as you can see. Then this one, I will cut material here, but to design the here, the radius, to find it, it's too easy. What you have to do is just to add a circle here, from here, tangent to this one, as you can see, okay, and the same thing from here, tangent to this one, okay. And let's put all of these circles for construction. As you can see, just click here, okay, and I will select all of these. Let's see what this one, it's not okay, yeah, because it's not tangent to this one. Select the two of them, make it tangent, okay. Then let's select this one and this one, okay, and this line and this one, okay. Let's mirror it. Click on mirror here, asking you mirror line, select this one like mirror line, click OK. You have a nice result here. Then I will use an arc to make all of these surface, to make it zone, and you can cut material with it. I will use here center point arc, yeah, center point arc, it's good here. Let's select this one and let's start from here to here, okay. Make sure that you are on this one, okay. Select the two of them, make them coincident. The same thing here if it's coincident, okay. The same thing here. Use the same arc, center arc point. Select this like center, and from here to here, okay. The same thing on the second one, from here, okay, and start if you want from here to here, okay. Let's see why this one is blue, but I think we are okay here. Yeah, because as you can see, because when I click on the center, I didn't add coincident between these center point. As you can see here, everything is fully defined, and we will use all these zone to cut it, and we will repeat it. That's only what you have to do in this wheel and the pinion and the what's the name of it, and the crankshaft wheel, okay. Finish the sketch, go to extrude, select all of these. As you can see, I can change here, start, it's okay, extend all or to the object. I think you can select this one to the object, cut here, okay, and you have nice result. What you have to do here is just to repeat the same thing, but you have not to draw anything from zero. You can just to select this feature and go to create, you will find here pattern, circular pattern, axis. You can select this one like an axis. The quantity here you have just to put 40. As you can see here in the preview, you have nice result. Click OK, just wait a sec, and you have nice wheel here, as you can see. Let's see what we have to do. Because I add a cover to this one, I want to add some holes. The holes I will make it on this one, but if you want to use hole, go for it. I like to make it with the sketch. We have 1.5 here in the diameter. Okay, we have a distance between this one. We have 33, and don't forget to test if it's aligned to the origin using this one. Okay, now I will add another circle here. This one you can use it, we will use it to calibrate the rotation of the crankshaft and the camshaft. Make it horizontal, and the distance between these we have 15. Okay, then I will repeat this one 6 times. Select it, go to pattern, circular pattern, select the point here. As you can see, you have 3, and it's here. Can put here 6. Okay, you have a nice result. Finish your sketch, extrude. It's not selected, you have to select it one by one. If there are another method to select all at once, it's great. Just use this arrow, and here if you want to select the object, or can make all, but you have to change the direction. I think change the direction, flip. It's this one. Okay, click OK, and you have this like a result. We are in isolate mode. I will hide this one and let's unisolate all. As you can see here, yeah, because I am on the, I will select this one to activate it, and now I think you can't move it. Okay, as you can see here. Okay, as you can see here, this one, but if you want to start testing the assembly of the two of them, it's okay. I want to add a folder to make this one assembly, to assemble it to this one and create copies. Okay, I will leave it like that for now, and I will see you in the next episode to working maybe on the camshaft bearing cap, or on the other wheel and the pinion. As you can see, I will use the same method. Maybe you will see other features, but to calculate it, I'm using the same. I forgot to tell you something that I will we select it. Where is it? I will activate it to see the sketch. This one. Notice that I will isolate it to see. Notice that here, why I add this, because when you add dimension, as you can see, okay, as you can see, this dimension, you will see it on the chain, okay, between two circles you will find 5.96 millimeters. The same thing on the all wheel. Okay, I will finish the sketch. All thing is all right here. Thanks for all subscriber and thanks to join me. Make sure that you activate the clock to see more episode. I will see you in the next episode. Thanks.